Hello everyone, this is Akari here. Have you took some time today to connect with your heart and with your body and soul? Ideally, we take time in the morning to practice, to set the tone for the day. And in the middle of the actions of the day, it's also really helpful to take a few minutes to pause and reconnect with the intention of the heart. So I invite you to sit in a comfortable position wherever you are. Could be on the floor, seated like how I am right now, or you could also sit on the chair and keep the spine straight, sit in a comfortable position, and I invite you to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, open your mouth and sigh out. Twice more, breathe in. Opening and expanding your heart. Open your mouth and long exhalation. Last one. Just taking a few more breaths, connecting your awareness with the flow of your natural breath. As you exhale deeper, melting anything that is hard or stuck in your mental space, in your physical body. As you rest your awareness deeper in the flow of your natural breath, the mind becomes more spacious, the body becomes more spacious. Every part of the body starts to open up. I invite you to circle your body to the left. Wherever you are at, on the chair, seated on the floor, you can keep your eyes open or keep it closed. Allow your breath to flow through. And please change the direction to the right shoulder side. Hydrating the central spinal axis. This spine is the channel of the energy, the pillar of the energy. Coming back to the center, inhale, scoop your chest up and forward. Exhale, round your back. Continue with the flow of your breath. Breathe in to open your heart, really shining. Exhale, rounding your back and tuck your head in. Few more rounds. As the spine shines from inside, our body starts to become more radiant from inside. Our mind becomes more spacious, illuminated, our heart open. One last time. Coming back to the neutral position, roll your shoulders back. And as you do so, also opening your chest area. As you rotate your shoulder joints, your chest opens more. Jaw muscles are soft. And please reverse the way, rolling the shoulders forward. And release your arms by the side. Raise your arms up, all the way up to the sky. Connect the fingertips together, could be also palms of the hands together. Relax your shoulders, turn the belly in towards the spine, and lengthen the back of the skull towards the sky to elongate the spine from the root to the crown of the head, from the root chakra to the crown chakra, from Muladhara chakra to Sukhasana chakra. Breathe in. Exhale, bring your hands to the heart center. Place your left hand over the heart, right hand over the left hand. Gently close your eyes to look at your heart from inside. Breathing into your heart. Taking a few moments to reconnect with your deepest intention of the soul, how you'd wish to show up at every moment, in a different situations, at the work, at your relationships, at your friendships, family life, in different situations of life, how you'd like to show up as a soul, as a consciousness. Reconnecting with why you're here today. Embracing your intention internally with your beautiful inner smiles, smiling down. Whenever you feel there is a more sense of alignment between your body, mind, heart, between the thought, speech, and action, gently open your eyes. I wish you the really beautiful the rest of your day.